एवरीवन। आज हम इरेवोकेबल पावर ऑफ अटर्नी के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे एंड जानेंगे कि हाउ कैन वी क्रिएट एन इरेवोकेबल पावर ऑफ अटर्नी सैम्पल। तो सबसे पहले जानते हैं कि एक पावर ऑफ अटर्नी होता क्या है। तो एक पावर ऑफ अटर्नी साधारण भाषा में एक लीगल इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता है जिससे आप किसी अटर्नी को अपने बिहाफ पर लीगल अफेयर्स मैनेज करने का राइट दे सकते हैं। Therefore, in other words, a power of attorney is a legal instrument that you sign allowing someone else to act on your behalf in certain situations. Now, a person who holds a power of attorney has the authority to act on behalf of the person who drafted the instrument and exercise any of the rights outlined in the document. So finally, a power of attorney is a legal agreement in which you, the principal, appoint someone you trust to handle your financial and property issues on your behalf. अब पावर ऑफ अटर्नी दो तरीके के होते हैं, एक होता है रेवोकेबल पावर ऑफ अटर्नी एंड सेकंड इज इरेवोकेबल पावर ऑफ अटर्नी. फॉर एग्जांपल, you can rescind the right provided to the agent at any time with a revocable power of attorney. By making the power of attorney irrevocable, you are giving up your authority to renounce those powers. इसका ये मतलब होता है कि एक रेवोकेबल पावर ऑफ अटर्नी में एज अ प्रिंसिपल आप कभी भी उस लीगल इंस्ट्रूमेंट को रिवोक कर सकते हैं. अब ये डिपेंड करता है कि आपकी सिचुएशन पर या आपके लीगल नीड्स पर, बट ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी आप एज अ प्रिंसिपल एक इरेवोकेबल पावर ऑफ अटर्नी सैम्पल को रिवोक नहीं कर सकते हैं और ना ही उस अटर्नी के पावर्स को टर्मिनेट कर सकते हैं. बट ऑफ कोर्स इसके कुछ एक्सेप्शंस हैं, लेकिन वो हम आगे आने वाले सब टॉपिक्स में कवर करेंगे. So basically, power of attorney, on the other hand, can be declared irrevocable if the instrument contains a provision that expressly specifies that the principal waives his or her right to revoke the power or otherwise indicates that the authority is irrevocable. Now, an irrevocable power of attorney must be accompanied by an enforceable beneficial interest in the subject matter, or the power must be given as security for the payment of a sum of money other than that which arises as a compensation from exercising the power, or as security for performance of acting. Now with this introduction we will know कि किन किन situations में irrevocable power of attorney sample बनता है और appoint करा जाता है. So firstly, in circumstances concerning guardianship of children, if the proposed guardian may live out of state away from the children, courts may give an irrevocable power of attorney. जिसका ये मतलब है कि कोर्ट्स को अगर लगता है कि किसी भी बच्चे का लीगल गार्डियन दूर रहता है या दूसरी स्टेट में बहुत फ्रीक्वेंटली ट्रैवल करता है, तो दे कैन मेक एन irrevocable power of attorney sample. Secondly, in situation like when there is a medical treatment choice, तो अगर एक irrevocable power of attorney sample होगा तो he or she can be delegated with the authority which takes medical decisions for someone who is incapable of doing it by themselves. Thirdly, the most typical application of an irrevocable power of attorney is for stock transactions. Now, shareholders who are unable to attend the annual general meeting can utilize irrevocable power of attorney to authorize another shareholder to vote their shares on their behalf. आजकल तो ये प्रोसेस काफ़ी कॉमन हो गया है और इसको फॉर्मली प्रॉक्सी वोटिंग भी कहते हैं. एंड फोर्थली, द अथॉरिटी मेक्स एन irrevocable power of attorney sample to provide the corporation's directors comfort that it is effective at the time of the meeting. तो अब हम अपने नेक्स्ट सब टॉपिक की तरफ बढ़ते हैं और जानते हैं कि एक irrevocable power of attorney sample को कैसे बना सकते हैं और इसका पूरा प्रोसीजर क्या होता है. तो फर्स्ट स्टेप में बेसिकली ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करना होता. जो लीगल इंस्ट्रूमेंट है मेनली उसको ड्राफ्ट करना होता है. तो इसके अंदर उसमें आपकी कंपनी का नेम और जो भी अथॉरिटी अटर्नी को हायर कर रही है उसका नेम एंड सारी डिटेल्स मेंशन होनी चाहिए. along with that you should mention the attorney's name. You should specify the reason behind making the irrevocable power of attorney sample. You should then focus on the rights and responsibilities that the attorney will carry on your behalf, and most importantly you should mention the other terms and conditions which can lead to the revocation or termination of the irrevocable power of attorney sample. This clause is the most important one क्योंकि इसके अंदर ही लोगों को सबसे ज़्यादा confusion होती है. the main question that people come up with is that if it's actually possible to revoke an irrevocable power of attorney sample or not. With this, I would like to let you know that of course it is possible, because even an irrevocable power of attorney has its exceptions under the Indian law. इसके एक्सेप्शंस को हम इस सब टॉपिक के बाद कवर करेंगे। इसके बाद आप इरेवोकेबल पावर ऑफ अटर्नी सैम्पल में अपना या कंपनी का या जिसके भी नाम पे सैम्पल बना है वो अपना सिग्नेचर डाल सकते हैं। जिस भी अटर्नी को हायर करा है वो भी सैम्पल में सिग्नेचर डाल सकते हैं। 2 विटनेसेस के सिग्नेचर्स भी लगेंगे हु आर इन्वॉल्व इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ मेकिंग एन इरेवोकेबल पावर ऑफ अटर्नी। Now, the second step is that an irrevocable power of attorney sample must be printed on a stamp paper, and with this, we arrive on our third step, which is the registration process. So, as I said before, a lawyer's services will be necessary to write an irrevocable power of attorney sample, and after that, you need the irrevocable power of attorney sample to be registered according to the applicable law. Now, although the registration of an irrevocable power of attorney is not required unless it relates to immovable property, it is recommended that it should be done at the respective sub registrar's office depending on the regulations of the state. Now, the irrevocable power of attorney must also be notarized or registered in the presence of 2 witnesses who sign and affirm the contents of the document. तो इस पूरे प्रोसीजर में मेनली आपको पहले तो ड्राफ्ट करना होगा एक इरेवोकेबल पावर ऑफ अटर्नी सैम्पल एंड देन उससे रजिस्टर करना होगा. Now, since we have learned how to make an irrevocable power of attorney sample, we will come to our last subtopic, which is how to revoke an irrevocable power of attorney. तो सबसे पहले I would like to point out that the principal hires an irrevocable power of attorney for the purpose of lifetime or for a purpose for a longer period of time, which requires dealing with the frequent legal tasks and constant legal affairs. तो primarily आप तभी irrevocable power of attorney sample बनाओगे सिर्फ परमानेंट और कंसिस्टेंट बेसिस पे. तो अगर आपको वो कंसिस्टेंसी या इरेवोकेबिलिटी को टर्मिनेट या रिवोक करना है तो उसके सिर्फ 2 रीजन या 2 एक्सेप्शन हो सकते हैं. फर्स्ट इज या तो जो टास्क है जो भी लीगल अफेयर एक इरेवोकेबल पावर ऑफ अटर्नी हैंडल करता है वो ख़त्म हो गया है एंड द अटर्नी हैज़ no more right or responsibility to left to fulfill on his behalf. अब इसके अंदर we can also talk about the death of the principal as an instance also. This is because if we take an example of medical care, then if the principal whose medical or financial aspects that attorney was hired to take care of has died, then the irrevocable power of attorney's responsibilities are automatically terminated and hence he can be revoked. Now, in the second reason or exception, the irrevocable power of attorney is not operating in the best interest of the principal. So, furthermore, in some states, simply writing irrevocable in the document does not render the power of attorney irrevocable. A court will frequently examine the principal agent or attorney relationship and transactions to establish if the authority was intended to be irrevocable, and a court action can be taken to revoke the agent's or attorney in power facts if he is misusing his position by working against the principal's best interest. Now, for this second exception, we can take the example of a famous Hollywood pop star, Britney Spears. She had a conservator, her father, appointed by the court, and her fight to remove this conservatorship has been going for a long period of time. Now, finally, the conservator or the power of attorney who was responsible to manage her finances and basically her career options has been proved to be working against the singer's interest. Now, with much efforts, the Britney Spears is finally free from this conservatorship. So, what an irrevocable power of attorney sample can be revoked is proved by this example. Thank you.